So the future of X-ray lays in the democratization of this technology among healthcare. So we believe that also with launch of Valor we're contributing to this process. We believe that X-ray can be more and more simple and more widely used across different healthcare specialties. So as it is still a big domain of radiology and radiology department, I think that X-ray can be available also at the other specialties more easily. So that system that we are introducing is so easy to use that every nurse after a very short training can actually use it very efficiently and in a very productive way. So we believe that there will be more X-ray use, there will be more demand, and there will be more usage of those technologies.